Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program using Go programming language or Golang to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. To be specific, string palindrome. Before continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here package main in Go. So import empty format in the string, and then I wrote a function here is palindrome string boolean, and then we have here a command convert string to lowercase and remove the white space. So we have here str string to lower, convert to lower space, and removing the white spaces in between. For I 0, I less than length, str divide by 2, increment, and then using if statement, so we are checking now if it is palindrome or not, if it is false or palindrome here, and then we close here. And then the function main, it is the starting point of every Go program. Begin input, we have here the word radar. So if is palindrome input, if it is true, the given string should be palindrome, else if it is not a palindrome, and then we close the body of our main function here. As I said earlier guys, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB to run the program. Click the run button here. So the given string right now is radar. So radar is a palindrome. How about we change this one to computer? Click the run button again. Computer is not a palindrome. Last example, let's say we have here Anna. The word Anna is a palindrome. Okay, let's see, we have here test. Click the run button. Test is not a palindrome. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on string palindrome using Go or Golang programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.